If you've ever wanted to publish your own ebook but didn't have the time, skills, or money, this is for you. Here's how to create a best-selling ebook in minutes using EbookWriter AI. Step 1. Pick a winning topic. Think about what people are searching for or what problems they want to solve. Once you have your topic, open EbookWriter AI and type it in, along with your title and target audience. Step 2. Let the AI write everything for you. EbookWriter AI automatically generates chapters, subheadings, and content that reads naturally, like it was written by a pro. No need to stare at a blank page ever again. Step 3. Design and format. EbookWriter AI gives your ebook a clean, professional layout automatically. You can tweak the style, add AI-generated images, and even insert affiliate links to monetize your content. Step 4. Publish and profit. Export your finished ebook and upload it to Amazon KDP, Payhip, or your website. You can start building your audience and earning income in just hours, not weeks. So if you're ready to turn your ideas into ebooks that actually sell, sign up using my link in the description and start creating your first AI-powered ebook today. Don't wait months to publish. Let EbookWriter AI do it for you in minutes.